Here's a quick review on Gorilla Cart's 1,200-pound multi-use steel dump cart. Now the instructions included are clear and concise and easy to follow, and it suggests using only 2 crescent wrenches. I do suggest adding one more tool, and that would be a ratchet with a small extension and a 1/2-inch socket. Otherwise, some of these can be really hard to assemble. Now this cart has metal gates that goes all the way around, but they do not fold out and stay in position and allow you to have weight. Let me show you. They actually have, there's little notches in the frame and little pieces of metal that slide into those notches, but they do not sit there here. They have to be actually latched in for any kind of strength. But once in position, it is relatively sturdy. As you can see there, you don't have to worry about things hitting it and really knocking it out of position. Now the bottom of it has very similar construction and design as the sides. It does have a plastic cover that comes with it. I have a feeling this would deteriorate pretty quickly if you left it out in the sun, so I don't recommend that. But overall, it seems pretty sturdy on the bottom as well. Now one of the main reasons we purchased this cart was for the dumping feature. There's a lever right here you lift up. You can easily dump whatever you need and then just reverse the process and it latches in place. And the other main option was the handle. It has a nice grip so you can pull it around the yard, but you can remove a couple pins. This right here will flip around. You replace the pins back into the holes that you had it. Then you can easily attach this to a lawnmower or four-wheeler and pull it around the yard. Now this cart is very easy to move around our yard. In fact, we just recently had some major storms come through, knocked down limbs all over the place, but it was real simple and easy for my son to pull it behind himself, pick up these limbs, and help clean up the yard. Now this cart can be used for a multitude of things, carrying firewood, maybe supplies out to a party you're gonna have, whatever you'd like. Now only time will tell exactly how well these carts will hold up, but for the most part, in the beginning, this seems like it's a really sturdy cart and I'm glad I bought it.